Hello, welcome to another video. I'm your coach Kabir and today I want to speak to you about something that I heard from Jim Rohn. Jim Rohn talks about 4 very specific questions that you need to ask yourself whenever you're trying to achieve anything. Now, this can be true of a relationship, this can be true of a business, this can be true of any aspect of life. Maybe it's quitting smoking, maybe it's starting a new business, maybe it's starting a new habit, maybe it's buying a new car. It could be anything. Ask yourself these 4 questions and the answer will feel so clear to you. So I want to talk to you about these 4 questions by Jim Rohn. So the first question is very simple. The first question is why? Why? Why do you want what you want? Why do you want it? What is it going to do for you if you have it? How are you going to feel when you have it? Why is so important? Because why gives you your big picture. Why says, okay, for example, let's take $1 million business. Why do you want to build $1 million business? Why should you build $1 million business? What's going to happen when you do build $1 million business? How would you feel when you did have $1 million business? What's the purpose behind the $1 million business? Is it to serve your community? Is it to serve yourself? Is it to take that vacation? Is it to have financial freedom? Is it to create a community? What is it? What's that why? When you understand your whys are so powerful because why is what drives us. And this is true of so many things in life. When you have a strong enough why, the how becomes easy. Think about any big thing that you've achieved in life, something which you may have thought is impossible to achieve, and yet you did it. How did you do it? You don't even know how you did it. All you knew was why you wanted it. And when your why becomes so strong, the how becomes easy. So I'm encouraging you when you're thinking of, and for this example, we're just going to use creating $1 million business. Why do you want to create $1 million business? Let's take my example. Why did I want to create $1 million business? I want to create $1 million business to spread to my community, to be able to achieve financial freedom for myself, generational wealth for my family, generational health, to be able to help people, to be able to really give back to society. That's my big why. And when the why becomes easy, the how becomes easy. When the why becomes strong enough, the how is powerful. So I'm asking you to ask yourself why. Why do you want those things in life? Why do you want that vacation? Why do you want that new job? Why do you want that promotion? Why? Very powerful question. Here's the second question, and these get powerful as we go down. Here's the second one. Why not? Why not? Why not create $1 million business? Why not? It's a beautiful thing to do. Generational wealth, helping society. Why not get that promotion? Why not have a kid? Why not take that vacation? Why not talk to your boss? Why not quit that job? Why not? What this does is, neurologically, what why does is it connects you to the problem. It gets you associated in state. And when you're associated with it, why not disassociates you. Neurologically, this works because why not helps you understand everything else that's there. It's like when we talk about, A not B. Why not B? Why not have the things that you want to have? You deserve it. Why not? Third question. And like I said, these get more powerful as we go down. Why not you? Others have done it. Why not you? There's many entrepreneurs that have built $1 million business. In 2020 alone, we had a record number of millionaires created. Why not? Why not you? Why not you? Why not you quit your job? Why not you talk to your boss? Why not you get married? Why not you? You deserve it. You're an educated person. You're watching this video. You've taken time to invest in yourself. Why not you? Powerful question. Why not you neurologically links you up to resources. Neurologically, and this is all an unconscious process. The unconsciously, why not you says, okay, what are my resources? How am I going to do this? Why not me? Yeah, of course, I can do it. If John can do it, if Tom can do it, if Sheila can do it, I can do it. Why not me? Why not you? Fourth question, and this is the most powerful one. Why not now? This is a great time to do it. 2021, why not now? What's going to stop you? Oh, I'll do it next year. Why not now? Oh, I'll do it in 2 years. Oh, it's just not the right time yet. I'm waiting for this to happen. I'm waiting for that. Life is uncertain, my friends. You don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Why not now? Why not build that $1 million business now? Why not take your wife out on that beautiful date? Why not now? Why wait? If you want to achieve it, why not do it now? Why not achieve it now? And what this does is it brings you into action. Neurologically, it links you into action. So you go from associated state to a disassociated state to resources to action. Let's go over the 4 questions again. These are Jim Rohn's 4 powerful questions. Why? Why do you want to do what you want to do? Any challenge that you're facing in life right now, ask yourself why. Why are you facing this challenge? Why do you want to overcome this challenge? Why? Why not? Why not overcome this challenge? You deserve it. You deserve a better life. Why not overcome this challenge? Why not you? You were born in America or wherever you're born in watching this. Why not you? If others can do it, you can do it too. Why not you? And why not now? This is a beautiful time. We're in a beautiful 21st century. Why not now? Why wait another 50 years to achieve something? Why not achieve it now? Why not achieve it right this moment? How can I live this today? How can I make this my reality today? Why not now? Beautiful 4 very powerful questions. I hope this video helped you guys. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe down below as well. And let me know in the comments what you guys want to hear from me next. I'll see you in the next one.